and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I'm trying Lightlife Smart Dogs, which are a plant-based hot dog, basically tofu hot dogs. So I'm going to show you the back here so you can see the nutrition facts. 60 calories per hot dog. You can see how to cook it, doesn't take very long. And the ingredients are right there. You can stop it and see for yourself. Alright, so it doesn't take very long to cook. Basically, you start your water to boil and then let the hot dog sit in the hot boiling water for a couple minutes. So whatever package you use, just follow it. However, I'm kind of cheating. I'm using a little bit of beer today. I don't know, I was just in the mood to try it with beer. So there we go. So a little bit for the pot, a little bit for the chef. And I'm going to start this boiling, and once it boils, I'll add the hot dogs. Alright, so my beer is boiling. I go ahead and put the hot dogs in there, and they just kind of stuck together. So I just used a utensil to separate them. Not a big deal. It didn't take much to get them apart. And I made sure each hot dog was in the cooking liquid. Alright, so now for the taste test. So it actually, as far as texture wise, the look is there of a hot dog, and it actually felt like eating a hot dog. Also, it did taste like meat, but for me it was more reminiscent of a Vienna sausage. I don't know if that's because I added the beer instead of water. I don't know. But it was pretty good. So if you are someone who is vegetarian or vegan, I would highly recommend this analog meat to you. So thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, share. Stick around, watch more videos. Also check out the description box on how you can help my channel. Alright, thank you and have a great day, and I'll see you next time.
Chirps! Hey guys, come here. I have something to share with you. Look, it's a hot dog. Come here. Here. There's one for you. There's a piece for you. You're welcome. Here, Chirps. Here you go. Here, you need me to break it up smaller for you? Here you go. Here you go. How about you? You want another piece? Is that good, Chirps? It's another tiny piece for you. You're welcome. Here you go. Come here, cutie pie. Come here, cutie. What's this one? You want this piece? Oh my, yes you do. Here's another piece for you. Come here, cutie pie. Here, baby. Oh, wants another piece of hot dog. Did you know this is tofu? A tofu hot dog? It's a good tofu hot dog, isn't it? Look at it. Look like a real dog. Oh, there you go. Chirps, you found a piece over there? He must have found a big piece. There you go. Let's see. All right, that's enough. Bye, guys. Bye. Rex, go check on Mommy. Good boy.